good?
Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, let's go do some lane changes.
All right.
Hopefully we get some traffic. Yeah, sure. We'll just go around here.
Do you signal in parking lots?
You do. Technically, because it makes you more visible to stuff that you might not see, but they'll see you.
Yeah.
Because our eyes are attracted to light and motion, and that's what a signal is. Light in motion.
That's why they do it.
Yep. Left here. And we're going to go to the traffic lights there. We're going to make a right turn at the lights. It's just like pulling out of a driveway here. Yeah, right turn at the lights. Complete stop before your line. And now you can crawl out there. Might want to put your window up there too, because
Cannot see over this guy.
okay, so if you can't, you can just crawl out to
The white line?
yeah, just to the white line. And see, that's why you don't want to go out too far, right?
Yeah, I still can't see safely.
Okay.
I don't really want to.
Okay. So if you don't want to risk, that's fine, yeah. And this guy here, you see what he's doing.
We're good now.
Just take a note of him.
Should I go?
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Perfect. Good. So there's no law in Ontario that says that you must make a right turn on a red light. You only do so if it's safe. If you feel safe to do so.
Yeah, that car's really far out.
Okay, so now for lane changes, essentially you're not allowed to go over the speed limit, but in order to get into a gap in traffic, if there's traffic around you, you're allowed to slow it down in order to get in, but you can't go over the speed limit. Nor can you make a lane change through an intersection. You can only make lane changes over those broken white lines. Where you get the solid white line, you can no longer do the lane changes.
Yeah.
And so you're okay in this lane here. We're gonna keep up yellow light. This is one of the red light camera intersections here. It's got the camera.
Where's that? Oh, right there.
It's right over here, over your right shoulder. It's on a gray pole with the big black boxes on it.
Oh, that's
The big gray boxes on it, yeah. So it takes a picture of your license.
Hard catch lots of people looking at that.
Yeah. Okay, so now, nighttime's a little different.
Is this to another lane?
It's, you see the broken white line there on the left? You just stay close to that line and it'll keep you in this lane.